Hi there. In this video, we will go over the credit card processing section in the Store module. This will help you to have an overview of all card transactions and other things that are connected to card charges. First, we will need to access the credit card processing section. To do that, please take the following steps. Open your left navigation menu. Then open the Store module. Press the credit card processing option. Notice that there are 4 tabs which display different information. The first tab displays all the card transactions that you ran through the terminal. You can use the search bar to find a transaction that happened in the past. To refund or void the transaction, locate the 3-dotted button on the right and press it to reveal the relevant options. Now, let's switch over to the Statements tab. Here you will be able to view and download the processing statements that are automatically generated at the end of each month. This will be created per merchant or store that you own and will include all interchange fees and monthly fees charged by the processor. The next tab allows you to see a list of transfers sent to your bank account. Lastly, the Dispute tab allows you to see if there are any ongoing disputes or chargebacks and what is their latest state. Note that the account displayed in this video is a testing environment and it won't have the majority of information visible, but it will be visible in your POS. That's it for the credit card processing section. Thanks for watching.